So now that Demaya is all grown up, she has requested that I lean more into my stylist bag. So come curate this prom look with me. So we started with the dress, and we really didn't have any specific colors yet. I just was more so focused on the designer. The designer we wanted was booked up for an award show. Shout out to Vicky James. So we settled on a fashion house based in Kosovo in Europe. The customer service was actually great to start. They had us take a bunch of measurements, and I was able to communicate any changes that we wanted to the dress. So the original colors were like purple and iridescence. When the dress came out of production, we realized the dress was not purple at all. It was definitely disappointing, especially when the communication started to slip. Even though it was a beautiful dress, it was not the dress that I ordered. As you can see here, the beadwork isn't even complete. So all the beadwork that you're gonna see later is what I had to have added. So we did a couple different fittings when the dress got here, and it fit like a glove when she first got it. Unfortunately, she gained like 5 pounds after that and was kind of busting out of it, but she got it back down. So next is onto hair, and we had picked out this hairstyle. We picked out our stylist. We worked with her before for Maya's birthday. So I purchased two 613 frontals with a 12-inch bundle, and I did the custom color. That is me spraying wax spray to protect the lace. Then I went in and toned that brassiness off of it, so we have more of a light blonde, natural blonde, silver color. And she wanted to go for a silver with like a purple tint, so these are the colors I selected: lavender, soft lavender, and platinum. I did the watercolor method so that it would be faster, and to be honest, it came out way darker than expected, and we were gonna go with it because it was so cute. But I'm like, let me try something. So I actually boiled some of the purple off of it, and bam, I ate that. And what's really nice about this is not only is it the color that she was going for, but there's also purple and pink streaks all throughout. So yeah, it came out way better than expected. Next, we move on to nails, and we really didn't have a set plan for nails, so we kind of just let our girl T freestyle and do her thing. Maya did mention a purple French tip, so we incorporated that for her toes as well. So next, it was time for her first of 2 hair appointments. Our girl BB did her wash, install, and molding the night before. And so now you can better see the colors that are in the hair, especially the ponytail. So the night before prom, Friday night, I decided I wanted to work on a project. I saw this thing on TikTok that I wanted to try. Basically, it's like encapsulated roses inside of ice. I wanted to do this for Maya's champagne bucket. And basically, you just stuff the rosebuds inside of balloons, fill them up with water. You stick them in the freezer. You're really supposed to stick them in there for like 2 days so that they'll solidify. I did one set like 3 days ago, and then I did this set the night before. So the second batch wasn't as solidified as the first batch, but it was all good. And the next morning, we went to go pick up our baby Benz. This is the car that we had decided on because Maya said that she wanted something classic. I wanted to put her in a G-Wagon, but she didn't want anything big. So now it's prom day, Saturday morning. We are back at the shop for our styling. Show me how you're gonna come out there. And now it's on to makeup with our girl Jamaica, slayed by Mika, and this is our inspo pic. This is what she hit us with. I'm telling y'all, she got to be the coldest makeup artist on the west side. Look at how she accentuated the details from the original inspo pic. My baby was so happy. Look at her. So next, let's dive into these decorations. I hopped on Canva and had no luck finding anything that resembled the iridescent aspect of her theme. So what did? I designed my own template. It came out so pretty that we actually ended up using it for the banner and the backdrop. Now the front decorations were done by Demaya's friends. Shout out to them. Now the back decorations were done by an amazing woman named Tanya. She has a company called Just Party LLC. And here are our little flower cubes. They came out really cute. They could have been better as far as the shape, but not bad for a first time. Low key, we were kind of thankful that the dress came out more on a nude side because it gave us more room to play with the iridescence. I actually got her shoes and her jewelry off of Amazon the week before. I'm not sure why, but it was so hard to find a purse with similar iridescent stones as the ones in her dress. But I did end up finding one on Amazon a couple days before. And here my baby is sparkling in her dress. Gorgeous. And finally, here are some of the amazing shots from our girl Latanja at Forever Photography. She does all of my photo shoots, the ones that you've seen for Win and Maya. To be honest, I still can't believe I pulled all of this off. But thank you all for watching. And if you want more curating videos, go ahead and like, share, and comment.